All right, everybody, we are almost done. This is the final steps. All right, so you are going to grab your little crankshaft that we have right here. You are going to put the pistons inside of the cylinder. So very carefully, put one inside the cylinder, put the other one inside the cylinder, like so. All right, and you would think that's the way it should go. It actually needs to be turned this way. All right, so the sticks should be out the sides. Then we are going to take one of our side pieces, place that on the stick. Now remember, if the little hole that you made there in the center is not the right size, you can just take the tip when it's heated up and make it a little bit larger. So that'll work for you. All right, so I'm simply going to take one of these, place it on the side. And again, the tack welding works the greatest. I kind of hold it on the side here. It's a little goofy with that stick sticking out of the side, but it'll be okay. All right, and then all I'm going to do is tack weld it in one spot. Make sure I like where everything sits. All right. Tack weld it there. I'm going to tack weld it on the other end. And one more spot over here. All right. So I did a little tack weld right up here on the top. I did one right over here, and I did one right over here. Now I can come back in and I can fill this all in. So you're just simply going back and forth with it to fill it all in. I'm kind of rushing for video time, so secure enough. And then I would go ahead and I would go along the side over here. I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. I'm simply going to take this part, place it on, tack weld it again. One spot. And one more place I have to tack weld it. Wait for those ones to cool. And then again, you would go back and forth over the entire thing till it's all done. And then you're simply going to test it to make sure as you turn your pieces that your piston heads are moving up and down and everything is moving from your crankcase. And if that works, then you simply take the bottom part, tack weld it on here, tack weld it on the other side right there, and then weld the entire thing together. All of your edges. All right, and there you go. You have just made yourself a nice little mini V-twin engine. All right, hopefully you were learning some of the parts as we were going along. We'll discuss it more in class, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. All right, hope you enjoyed making this. Thanks.